What's up guys, in this video I will show you the top gainers in the crypto space as well as how you could get the new user rewards which will give you up to 2,888 USDT in Bydfi. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bydfi. A link will be in the description of the video, and as you can see here, it's already showing the new user rewards. Claim up to 2,888 USDT. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you the top gainers in the crypto space. So here it is. If I click on the 24-hour change in percentage, let me click on this one. It will show you the negative ones. All right. So if you click on it again, it will show you the top gainers. At this recording, XDB and USDT pair is at plus 23%. HMT is at 12%. All right. And then XRP3L paired with the USDT is at plus 11.59%. There are a lot of information that you could get from this one, and you could also add them in your favorites. So once you click on this one in your spot, if you click on the little star on the very left side, it will save it in the favorite section. That way, when you log into your Bydfi account and then go to markets and then go to favorites, all of the favorite tokens that you starred will show up in that place. All right, so the next one that I want to show you guys is the derivatives. So the USDT and perpetual contract settled in USDT. How much leverage can you set on this one? So just like any other like futures trading or derivatives trading out there, they also have the stop limit, the limit, and the market trading feature here. And then you will be able to set the leverage right here. If you click on that one, you could see that it can be from 1 up until 200x. But guys, before you even bump that leverage up to 200% or even 50x, I would strongly recommend that you study the technical analysis first, all of the fundamentals in crypto trading. Go ahead and check out our channel. That way you could see all of the tutorial videos that will definitely be able to help you out in your crypto career. And then last but not the least, guys, here it is. So get the 2,888 USDT in rewards for completing the task. So all the tasks will be here. So you could see sign up reward just by signing up. If you will be linking your Google Authenticator, you could also get that $2 USDT reward. Anti-phishing code reward is $2. You also have here first deposit reward with Banxa or Transact or Mercurio. It will give you 50 USDTs. You could get all of the information for the welcome reward in this page right here, which also be in the description of the video. All right, so all of the task rules will also be here. You can go ahead and read through it. That way you will be informed of what you need to do. That way you will be able to get all of the rewards that you could possibly get. All right, again guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell, that will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.